This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, this morning I told you guys about the Circle IPO. I said that if the IPO goes great, it should have a positive impact on the crypto market. And I thought it was going to run, but I didn't think it was going to run 167%. But also, Circle had a negative impact on the crypto market. The entire crypto market is down now after Circle had a great IPO. They were looking at $31 a share. It's currently, at the time of this recording, $82.95 a share. In my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy Circle or any stock or any crypto. In my opinion, this should have been a positive catalyst for the crypto market, but that is not what happened. It's the exact opposite. Crypto is not doing good. I mean, my account is down a lot, but it doesn't even matter. In my opinion, this is just temporary setbacks. And once again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. But can you imagine what the Ripple IPO is going to be if the Circle IPO went up 167% in one day? And I know you're gonna be people saying it's time to put options on Circle and all this other nonsense. I'm not giving nobody any suggestions what to do with their money, and I never do. You have to do your own DD and come to your own conclusions. But I believe that this is just an indication of how high the Ripple IPO is going to be. And I am going to make moves to see if I can get some Ripple shares prior to their IPO. And even though it has not been announced and they claim that they don't want to do an IPO and blah, 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 in my opinion, Ripple has to do an IPO. Not saying it's going to happen in 2025, but if Circle raised this much money from their IPO, imagine how much money Ripple is going to raise from their IPO. I believe it is going to be record breaking in my opinion. Okay? But as I said before, the Circle IPO up 167% at the time of this recording. That is absolutely great. I felt it should have had a positive impact on the crypto market, but instead it had the opposite. But I really do believe it is just a temporary setback. And I believe that Circle is going to change the game in the sense of IPOs. And do I believe that Ripple is still not in the market to acquire Circle? I believe they're still in the market to acquire Circle. I mean, that's just my opinion. I could be totally incorrect. But I did not expect it to run so high. And it just tells me that the Ripple IPO is going to be record breaking. And if some of you guys can get a hold of some Ripple shares before Ripple's IPO, probably next year, it might be a good investment. And once again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. But the Circle IPO tells everybody that Wall Street is taking the crypto industry very, very seriously. And I told you guys that this morning. I said, if it runs, it's letting us know that Wall Street is taking the crypto industry very, very seriously. And I believe that Ripple XRP is going to be the head of the crypto industry very, very soon. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Did you guys think that the Ripple IPO would be up 167% today? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.